In front of me is nothing phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by opening any app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now to turn it into a floating window, click on the icon of an app at the top and select pop-up view. Then click on this tiny window at the top right corner and use your app. To resize your window, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. If you wanna learn more, I can show you now. Over here, thanks to this line at the top right corner, you can turn your window into a bubble, and then by clicking on it, you can bring back the standard one. You can also minimalize it by clicking on Home button and dragging tiny window to the side. You can even, and most people miss this part, hold the bubble you just created, and thanks to it, close your window by dragging it to remove section at the top. If you wanna close your window, you can also use this X at the top right corner. Last but not least, to use your app in full screen view instantly, hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. When you see white area, this one, you can let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!